So how to connect your AirPod Pro to your MacBook? First of all, turn on your AirPod. Green signal is on. That's mean my earphone is connected. Now you have to go to your setting to enable your Bluetooth. Actually, go to Bluetooth and enable it, and then you can see the AirPod Pro option. Just you need to press on connect and wait a couple of seconds to connect it. It's connected. Now just play music or any kind of audio, then you can see your AirPod is connected. It's also showing the charging percentage and others information. So this is how you can easily connect your AirPod Pro with your MacBook. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Thank you very much.